Alright, alright. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Outfit check!
Say less, feeling so blessed. Everything was easy like a Sunday morning. Yeah, bet, thrift store best. Dressed to impress, make them say, oh lordy. Oh, oh, I got a swag in the step. Oh, oh, I got the Jordan the flex. Oh, oh, I got a swag in the step. In the step. The day just keeps getting better and better. Soaring clouds, it don't matter the weather. The day just keeps getting better and better. The day just keeps getting better and better. Oh, thank God I should write him a letter. The day just keeps getting better and better. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. 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 Better and better.
When I first saw you, I saw love. And the first time you touched me, I felt love. And after all this time,
Thank you, salamat.
Thank you rin sa inyo. Nakapunta kayo sa aking kasal.
Thank you.
Thank you sa tol. Salamat.
yeah, looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. We're mighty to
Jukar, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagpaparito upang makisang dibdib si Christopher, John, na iyong pakamamahalin at paglingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Ikaw naman, Christopher, bukal ba sa iyong loob ng iyong pagpaparito upang makisang dibdib si Jukar, na iyong makamamahalin at paglingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss goodnight. Ain't nothing better.
Christopher at Jomar at lahat ng mga kasama nila, sana makita niyo yung importance. Kung gusto niyo talagang bumaba yung pagmamahalan hanggang kamatayan, bigyan niyo ng, ano yung kuha? Bigyan niyo ng communication, oras, at attention. Tiyak, aabot tayo hanggang kamatayan dito. Amen.
We're still together, still going strong. You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss goodnight. You're still the one.
Kayo ba ay handang arugain at palakihin ang mga anak niyong dalawa na ibigay ayon sa kahilingan ng Diyos at pabubuhay ng Kristiyano?
Opo, Father.
You're still